Hi guys, how are you today? In this tutorial, I am going to make very simple and easy Minnie Mouse hairband. Things we need are a hairband, red ribbon, red sparkle foam sheet, pink sparkle foam sheet, Fevicol or hot glue gun, stapler, scissor and a marker. Take hairband and wrap it with ribbon. Then take red foam sheet and make 2 circles for making ear. Cut these circles. Then make a curve. Cut them. Take pink foam sheet and make bow. Staple it. Now paste all parts together. I hope you like the video. If you like it, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe me, as your subscription is my encouragement. Thanks for being with me. Bye bye.